Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about topic number 3, that is matrices. Plural of matrix is matrices. Okay. Now here define matrices and different types of matrices. Just I will recall. I will repeat once again. Matrices means what? It is a rectangular array of numbers. Either it may be real numbers or complex numbers arranged in the form of rows and columns. Note that matrix has no value. Matrix is very long. Simply elements square bracket rectangular shape represent arrangements of rows and columns, that is known as matrix. Plural of matrices is plural of matrix. Okay. Then the general form of M cross N matrix, namely A11, A12, A13, and so on, A1n, A21, A22, A23, and so on, A2n. In general, AM1, AM2, AM3, and so on, AM2. This is the general form of M cross N matrix. Here the suffix indicate what are the suffix 1 1 1 2 2 3 2 4 3 5. These are the suffix indicate the position of an element. Okay. Now here are different types of matrices. As you know that row matrix. Then second one is column matrix. Third one is null or zero matrix. Right? Fourth one is square matrix. Then fifth one is diagonal matrix. Then sixth one is principal diagonals. Then seventh one is scalar matrix. Then unit matrix. Then scalar multiplication of matrix. Then equal matrices. Then matrix addition of two matrices. Similarly, subtraction of two matrices. Then product of two matrices. Most important, product of two matrices. Then the transpose of a matrix. Then symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So these are the different types of matrices. Okay. Now in previous class already discussed about first six, namely row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, principal diagonals, and even the scalar matrix, unit matrix. Up to this in previous class already discussed. Now today we will continue remaining types of matrices. Now let us discuss about one by one, that is scalar multiplication. Now define scalar multiplication. Look here. If A is a matrix of any order, it may be 2 cross 3, it may be 3 cross 4, it may be 4 cross 5. Okay, in general say M cross. Let A be a matrix of any order. Let K be a scalar. In general, K called as K. That scalar is nothing but what? Real number. That is number. Any number. Okay. A be a matrix of any order. Let K be a scalar quantity. That is real number. Then K into A is a matrix obtained by multiplying each elements of matrix A by scalar quantity K. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ K ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that is known as scalar multiplication. Remember, A is a matrix of any order, K be a scalar quantity, then K into A is a matrix obtained by multiplying each elements of matrix A by scalar quantity K. Now here for example, A is the matrix, say 1 2 3 3 1 4. It is a matrix of order 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay. let K be a scalar. K is number, real number. Take any one number. You take say 2. 2 is real number. Then 2 into A is a matrix obtained by multiplying each elements of matrix A by scalar quantity K, that is 2. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು elements ಗೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ 2 into 1 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 4s are 8. Again order of the matrix is 2 cross 3. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ that is known as scalar multiplication. Okay, if you take another number 3a, 3a to multiply each element by 3. What is that? 3 1s are 3, 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 4. Again order of the matrix is 2 cross 3. Right? This is an example of scalar multiplication. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as scalar multiplication. Clear students? Okay. So next one is equal matrices. Define equal matrices. If A and B are any two matrices having the same order, remember, if A and B are any two matrices having the same order, it means suppose A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, B is also matrix of order 2 cross 3. If A is matrix of order 4 cross 5, B is also matrix of order 4 cross 5. ಎರಡು matrix order same ಇರಬೇಕು. So if A and B are any two matrices having the same order are said to be equal. ಎರಡು matrix order same ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ those two matrices are equal. Otherwise we can't define equal matrices. Okay, if A and B are any two matrices having the same order are said to be equal if and only if the corresponding elements are also equal. Its corresponding elements are also equal. Now here for example, let A is a matrix, say x, y, z, p, q, r. It is a matrix of order 4 rows 3 columns. Okay, take B is the matrix, say 1 5 3 7 1 8. It is also matrix of order 2 columns. Clearly both the matrices having same order. Idu 2 cross 3 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 2 cross 3. Same ಇರಬೇಕು. Same ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we can define equal matrices. Otherwise we can't define equal matrices. Okay. Now clearly A is equal to B. These two matrices are equal if and only if corresponding elements are equal. X corresponding element is 1, that is x is equal to 1. Y corresponding number is 5, y is equal to 5. Z corresponding number is 3, z is equal to 3. Right? P corresponding number is 7, p is equal to 7. Q corresponding number is 1, q is equal to 1. R corresponding number is 8, r is equal to 8. If both the matrices having the same order, then only those two matrices are equal. If and only if corresponding elements are same or equal. Clear? Oh. So next one is matrix addition. Addition of two matrices. Look here. Again, if A and B are any two matrices having the same order, ನೋಡಿ matrix addition define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ both the matrices having the same order. ಎರಡು matrix order same ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, if A and B are any two matrices having the same order, then addition of those two matrices A and B is denoted by A plus B and is defined as by adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So remember, if A and B are any two matrices having the same order, then the addition of those two matrices is denoted by A plus B and is defined as adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. Now, for example, A is the matrix. Say 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 7. It is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Right? Take another example. B is the matrix. B matrix. Say 3, 1, 4. Then 8, 1, 5. It is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Both the matrices have the same order. Now the question, find A plus B. Definition of addition of two matrices. Adding the corresponding elements. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Second row. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 7 plus 5, 12. Again, order is 2 plus 3. Right? Both the matrices having same order, then adding the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. This is A plus B. Oh, not B plus A, not B plus A and adding the corresponding elements. Are they same? Yes. 4, 4, 8, 10, 2, 1. Same order time. Again 2. So, from this we conclude that, note that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So clearly A plus B is equal to B plus C. That is, matrix addition is commutative law. You know the definition of associative, commutative in relations and functions. That is in binary operation, isn't it? So note that A plus B is equal to B plus C. Clear, students? Similarly, subtraction of two matrices by subtracting the corresponding elements. Okay. Next one is most important, that is product of two matrices. Define product of two matrices. Product of two matrices. Very important. It is correct. Most important. If A is a matrix of order, in general say M cross N. In general, A is a matrix of order M cross N. And B be a matrix of order N cross B in general. Now take a in general A is a matrix of order M cross N, B be a matrix of order N cross B. One common area. Then the product AB is a matrix of order N vanish. That is order is M cross B. They take N only define product of two matrices. If both A and B matrices having different orders, we can't multiply. Now take in general, A is a matrix of order M cross N, B is a matrix of order. N cross N is B in general. Now N vanish, then the product AB is a matrix of order M cross B. Just take transitive property, transitive relation. Mn, Np, N vanish, M. Like that. So if A is a matrix of order M cross N and B be a matrix of order N cross B, then the product AB is a matrix of order N vanish, M cross B. Thus, the product AB is defined only. Observe it. First member represent that is row. Second number represent column. This is column. So first number represent row. Second number represent column. No, product AB defined the product AB matrix is defined only the number of columns of matrix A. Number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B, or number of rows in matrix A is equal to number of columns in matrix B. One column the value first matrix second matrix row value equally to under we can define product of two matrices. Okay, so in general A is a matrix of order M cross N and B be a matrix of order N cross B, and the product AB is a matrix of order M cross B Thus, the product AB is defined only the number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. Okay. Now, for example, A is a matrix. Say 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. It is a matrix of product 2 rows, right? 2 rows, 3 columns. B will be a matrix. Say 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. It is a matrix of order 3 rows. 3 rows, 2 columns. Now the question, find the product AB. All of you listen carefully. So how to multiply? Definition of product of matrix is the product AB is defined only number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. Number of columns of matrix A, column 3. Number of rows in matrix B, 3. That 3 vanish. AB product multiply matter order ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 rows. How to multiply? Don't multiply row by row. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ row ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕು? Product AB is defined only number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B, or number of rows in matrix A is equal to number of columns in matrix B. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಪರೇಟ್ ರೋ ಬೈ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ ಬೇಕು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ರೋ ಬೈ ರೋ. ರೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. So number of rows in matrix A is equal to number of columns in matrix. So in first two elements are 1, 2. Here in second matrix B matrix, first column 1, 2. Now multiply row by column. How to multiply 1 by 1? 1 into 1, 1. Either ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. Leave it. Next plus ಈ number 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 into 3, 6. 1 by 1. 1 into 1, 1. Finish. Next number 2 into 2, 4. Next number 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Then again same. Again take first row by second column. Second column 2, 3, 1. Same method. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 into 3, 6. Plus 2 into 1. Right? First row is over. Same procedure in second row. Same method. Take second row by first column. 2 into 1, 2. Plus next number. Don't take 2 into 2. Take next number. 1 into 2 corresponding element. Next 3 corresponding element is 3. 3 into 3, 9. Next second row by second column. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1 into 3, 3. Plus 3 into 1, 3. One the number here, one the number in the multiply. Just take one. One element image is 2. Other element. Image of one element associated with another element in the second segment. 1 into 1, 1. Plus 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 into 3, 6. Next, first row by second column. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 into 3, 6. Plus 2 into 1. First row is 4. Take second row by same procedure. First column 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, plus 3 into 3, 9. Take second row by second column 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 3, 3, plus 3 into 1. Right? Simplify. That is equal to 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, right? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. What is order of the matrix? 2 cross 2. Yes, obviously true. Because A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, B is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, the product AB is a matrix of order 3 vanish, order is 2 cross 2. Here, multiply row by column. Don't multiply row by row in product of two matrices. In addition and subtraction, row by row. There is a multiplication. How to multiply? Operate row by column. So this is the product A. What would be a matrix? B is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Right? A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. Now cancel out 2 vanish. What is the order of the matrix? 3 cross 2. B a matrix order 3 cross. AB matrix order is 2 cross 2. AB is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. What is BA is a matrix of order in this example? 3 cross 3. Are they equal? No. Note that AB is not equal to BA. Product AB is not equal to BA. That is, product of two matrices is not commutative. But some exceptional cases, it may be true. Some exceptional cases, particularly now anta numbers ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ it is true. But in all cases, that is not true. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ true ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So product of two matrices is not commutative, whereas addition of two matrices is commutative. This is the product. Remember how to define. If A is a matrix of order in general M cross N and B is a matrix of order in general N cross P, then the product AB is a matrix of order N managed M cross P. Thus, the product AB is defined only number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರೋದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ we can define product of two matrices. Otherwise we can't define product of two matrices. Clear students? Okay, go for next one. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose, transfer, ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ. Look here, define a transpose of a matrix. Let A is a matrix of order in general M cross N. A is a matrix of order in general M cross N. Right? Then the transpose of A, the transpose of matrix A is denoted by A dash or A transpose, both are same. Remember, if A is a matrix of order in general M cross N, then the transpose of matrix A is denoted by A dash or A transpose and is defined as by interchanging the rows and columns. By interchanging the rows and columns. Row ಮತ್ತು column ಅನ್ನ ಅದಲು ಬದಲು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as transpose of a matrix. For example, if A is a matrix 1 2 3 5 6 7, it is a matrix of order 2 cross. Now one more question, right? Transpose of it. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. Row ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ರೋ interchange. So in first row what are the elements? 1 2, write in first column. Right? Second row what are the elements? 5 6 7, write in second column. This is transpose. What is order of this matrix? 3 cross 2. Given matrix order is 2 cross 3. If it's transpose to order interchanging the rows and columns, that is 3 cross 2. Okay. In general, A is a matrix of order M cross N. Then A transpose of a matrix of order interchanging the rows and columns, that is M cross 2. Right? So A is the matrix, for example, 2 cross 3 matrix. Its transpose is by interchanging the rows and columns. Row ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So what is this order of the matrix? 3 cross 2. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ matrix 2 cross 3 ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 cross 2. Right? Now once again it's a transpose. What is a transpose ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ? A transpose ಇದೆ already. Again by taking its transpose. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇದರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ again definition of transpose. Interchanging the rows and columns. In first row what are the elements? 1 5, write in first column. Second row what are the elements? 2 6, write in second column. Third row what are the elements? 3 7, write in third. What is the order of the matrix? 2 cross 3. That is equal to, this is nothing but given data. A, right? So that note that transpose of A is equal to A. 2 times transpose ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So definition: if A is a matrix of order m cross n, then the transpose of matrix A is denoted by A dash and is defined as by interchanging the rows and columns. Row ಮತ್ತು column ಅನ್ನು interchange ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is known as transpose of a matrix. Note that transpose of A is equal to A itself. Clear? In general, A is a matrix of order m cross n, therefore its transpose A dash is a matrix of order n cross n. Interchange m cross n is there with n cross n. Okay? And last one, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now a square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix. Then we put it, a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if the condition transpose of A is equal to A. One day transpose toward A na banittu transpose of A is equal to A, then that is known as symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if transpose of A is equal to A itself, that is known as symmetric matrix. Whereas if transpose of A is equal to negative of given matrix A, that is A dash is equal to minus A, if this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Most important, remember those two definition. They will ask in final exam. Define symmetric matrix or define skew symmetric matrix. One mark question. Remember, a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if transpose of A is equal to A. Whereas a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of A is equal to minus A. Right? So these are the different types of matrices. By using these different types of matrices to solve the simple problems. Okay? Based on different types of matrices to solve simple problems. Look here, problem number 1. If the matrix A consisting of some elements, namely first row 2, 5, 19, minus 7, second row 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, third row root 3, 1, 5, 7. One matrix is given. Now the question is, write what is the order of the matrix. However, total the matrix order is. As you know that the horizontal lines of elements are called rows. You know. Whereas vertical lines of elements are called column. So, in this matrix, what is the order of the matrix? However, how many rows are there and how many columns are there? Verify what is order of the matrix. How many rows? First row, second row, third. 3 rows. How many vertical lines? First vertical line, second vertical line, third vertical line, fourth vertical line. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. So then order of the matrix is 3 rows, 4 columns, 1 mark. Right? Then second question, what is the number of elements? How many number of elements are there in the given matrix? Yes, the number of elements is there. 3 cross 4 is the order of the matrix. Multiply those two, 3 4s are 12. 12 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of elements. Second question is number of elements. Total number of elements is equal to 12 elements. Right? Third question. Write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. These are the suffix indicate the position of an element. Now you know that in general, the general form of n cross n matrix, here given data, this is a matrix, it is in the form first row of the first element. In general, we take A11, right? This is A12, A13, A14. Okay, next A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Right? So write the elements A13. So What it indicate? 1 3 indicate what? That element lying in every first row, third column. Observe this. In first row, third column, what is the element? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ A13 first row third column first row column first column second column third column A13 value how much 19 right write the element A21 what is A21 element A21 suffix indicate the position 21 means what second row first column ನೋಡಿ this is second row first column ಯಾವ element 35 A21 element is 35. Next, A33 means what? Third row, third column. Element lying in third row, third column. This is third row, first column, second column, third column. So A33 value 5. Right? Next, A24. A24 means first number in present row, second number in present column. A24 lying in second row, fourth column. Look here, second row, fourth column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, A24 element is there, 14, sorry, 12. A24 is 12. Next, A23. A23. It means what? Second row, third row. Observe this matrix. In second row, third column, what is the element? Second row. This is first row, second row, third column, first column, second column, third column. Second row, third column. Element is there. 5 1. These are the suffix indicate the position of that element. Dear students, there is second question. One more question they will ask in final exam. If a matrix has 24 elements, second problem. If a matrix has 24 elements, here in first example, matrix has how many elements? 12 elements. Here in second question, matrix has 24 elements. What are the possible orders it can have? ಎಷ್ಟು possible orders ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 24 elements ಇದೆ ಅಂತ what is the order of the matrix? 24 ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 12s. So order is 2 cross 2. 3 table in the divide agutta 3 8s are 4 table in the divide agutta 4 6 are. These are the order of the matrix. What are the possible orders? Matrix has 24 elements. Matrix has 24 elements. Then order of the possible orders are. What are the possible orders? 24 have table in the divide agute 1 across 24 1 24s are 24 next 2 cross 12 2 12s are 24 tables 2 cross 12 next 3 table in the divide agutado adu 3 8s are 3 cross 8 next 4 in the divide agutta 4 6s are because 4 6 are 24 5 in the divide agutta 1 6 in the divide agutta yes 6 4s are 6 4s are 24 7 in the divide agutta 8 yes 8 3s are 24 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ no 10 no 11 table ಬರುತ್ತೆ 24 ಇಲ್ಲ 12 yes 12 question then 13 no 14 no 15 no next ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ these are the possible orders if a matrix has 24 elements the possible orders are 1 cross 24, 2 cross 24, 3 cross 8, 4 cross 6, 6 cross 4, 8 cross 3, 12 cross 2, 24 cross 1. These are the possible orders. Even though the first one, this is the matrix has 12 elements. What are the possible orders? 12 we have to 1 cross 12, next 2 cross 6, then 3 cross 4. 4 cross 3 because 4 3s are 12 then 6 cross 2 6 2s are 12 right these are the possible orders if a matrix has 12 elements those are the possible orders whereas matrix has 24 elements these are the possible orders and one more question what if it has 13 elements 1 by 13 elements is the if matrix has 13 elements What are the possible orders? 13 elements ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 30 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ, 30 elements. What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders? Possible orders are ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು 13 1 cross 30 then 13 cross 20. Only two orders, 1 cross 30 13 cross 20. If a matrix has 24 elements, there are so many orders. If a matrix has 13 elements, only two orders, namely 1 cross 13 13 cross 20. Dear students,